Yo, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well today with this epidemic going on. So yeah, I wanted to make a short video today to show you guys how I make my rinse. So I know that a lot of you guys are stuck inside, not being able to go out, to their salon and having the hairdresser, make clean their hair, or put in some product that will really maintain it clean. So yeah, I came today and trying to make a short video, and because I do it always myself, I don't go to the salon. I've been doing it, growing my hair by my own, and I don't go to the salon. So yeah, and yeah, I wanted to show you everything I use. It's a composition of baking soda and other product that I will show you when I go to the kitchen. So the thing is that, yeah, I know it really helps you get rid of all the buildups that you get from being outside, and all the dirt that's around you, with the cars and motorcycle thing that you have around outside. Really puts in dirt, and yeah, with time it gets built up in your hair, and it's really difficult to get out of your hair if you don't use like this ACV rinse. So all the product that you can use in this is really beneficial to get rid of all the dust. Yeah, so also it really helps you with the hair growth, and yeah, it keeps your hair strong, I guess. So yeah, so if you guys have any question or suggestion, just put it down in the comment section. It would really help to hear from you guys what's your experience with your dreadlocks or hair. All right, so yeah, and if you guys think that this information is really helpful, share it with your with your friends and surroundings, so it can help them yeah, maintain their hair. So, and if you guys like this video, just give it a thumbs up, and yeah, and if you also have if you'd like to see some videos about hair, or skincare and stuff like that, put it down in the comment section, and I would really like to make other videos in the future talking about that. All right, so yeah, and yeah, give it a thumbs up, stay inside and safe. All right, I'll see you guys. All right. Wait, there you are.
Yeah, so here are the products that I use. You have the baking soda from Tropical Sun, or you can use any other baking soda. And then on the side I also have the lemon juice, the concentrated lemon juice, and also still you can use any other. And then I use the vinegar, the white vinegar, because I don't have apple cider vinegar. And then the last is sea salt. Yeah, so yeah, all of them mixed together is like you make a bomb. Right? So yeah, just you need to watch out of the amounts that you put in, because if you put too much, it would damage your skin and your scalp, even your hair still. But and if you don't put enough, that would really not really function, or it would not give the benefit that it has. So what I'm showing you here is kind of the amount that you can put, and yeah. Now over time I just learn how to put, because in the beginning I also used to put like a little bit, maybe too much, and then I learned how to put a little bit less. But you can watch it, even you can search for it on a Google or any other search engine. So yeah, here I put like a tablespoon, well, like I would say half a tablespoon. And then for the vinegar I put like 3, well, let me see how I put it here. So yeah, I put it like 3 tablespoons of it. So yeah, you see the effect that it gives, like the reaction. Yeah, so if you put lemon on top of that, it would really, yeah, it's kind of chemical, all of this, everything that I'm doing right now. But yeah, you would enjoy doing this, you know. And for the first time when you see the reaction, you really feel you really feel like a scientific, yeah. But yeah. And then you put the sea salt, and all of that makes it really a strong, you know. Yeah, it's a really strong combination. So I'm gonna show you after that what I do on how to mix it. All right, just mix it, you know, all of it together, and yeah, so that everything can be dilute, yeah, inside, so that it will be more effective. All right. So what I do here is that I just pour in enough water to balance with the amount of the product that I used, that I mixed, so that everything can, you know, dilute together, and it will be a perfect balance. That's it. So the recipe I did wasn't too much for the amount of water that's in the sink, so that it would not affect too much my hair or my scalp, but it would just clean, yeah. So next thing I do is that I put my dreads in the water, so that it can really sink in and just, you know, absorb all the water, with all the product that I put in, so that it will start to clean by itself. And I will just leave it like 5 minutes in the sink, you know, and then take out, I mean, just wash really good. You can now see how the water turned out really dirty. Even though I washed my hair like 3 months ago, you can still see how much dirt and dust went into my hair. So I'm about to repeat the process again. So until I really see my hair clean, you know, like the water clean, yeah. I'll just take out all the water, clean the sink, and then repeat the same process again. So usually I do it like 3 times, but this time I just do it twice, because I've done it like not long ago, and I'm doing it this time just for the sake of showing you guys how I do it. Yeah. I've done it like 3 months ago, so.
Now it's the next day. I wanted to show you when it's dry, and so you can see every small details. You really see that there is nothing in my hair, because he really did wash like every small parts of it, even inside of it. So I haven't put any oil or any I haven't put anything inside, so now you can really see it's just after shower when it's clean, when it's dried, so there's still nothing inside. I'll show you later when I put some oil